In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Flights Explore map to quickly discover flight options and prices all around the world. This is especially handy if you're flexible on where or when you want to travel and just want to see what's out there without searching one destination at a time. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Google Flights. You can do this by typing Google Flights into the search bar and clicking the official Google Flights result, or by going directly to the Google Flights website if you already know the address. Make sure you're on the Google-owned page so you get the full, up-to-date experience. Once Google Flights is open, you'll see the main search interface where you can normally type in where you're flying from and where you're flying to. For the Explore map to work properly, you'll want to enter your departure city. Click in the From field and start typing the name of the city or airport you're leaving from. As you type, Google will suggest airports and cities. Choose the one that best matches where you want to start your trip. If you have multiple nearby airports, you can pick one specific airport or keep it set to the city to see options from all local airports. After your departure city is set, look for the Explore option. Depending on the current layout, this might appear as a button or a tab labeled Explore or Explore Map. Click that. This will open a map-based view instead of the usual list of specific flights. If you don't see it right away, check near the top of the page or in the navigation area of Google Flights. Now you'll see a world map, or at least a regional map, centered around your departure point. Scattered across the map are various destinations, each showing an estimated price for flights from your chosen departure city. You can zoom in and out using your mouse wheel or the on-screen controls, and drag the map to move around different regions. As you move the map, Google Flights will update the destinations and prices in view, letting you quickly see where you might be able to fly and roughly how much it will cost. Take a moment to explore this map. You'll notice that some places show a single price, while others may group multiple airports together. If your travel dates are flexible, you can also adjust the date settings above the map to show prices for different times of year, weekends, or specific date ranges. This can dramatically change what you see and may reveal cheaper options you wouldn't have considered. When you see a destination that interests you, click that location on the map. A panel will open, usually on the left or right side of the screen, showing more detailed flight options from your departure city to that destination. Here you'll see different airlines, travel times, and prices. You can refine these results further by adjusting filters like number of stops, preferred airlines, times of day, and more. From here, you can choose the flight that suits you best and follow the prompts to book through the airline or travel partner. And that's all there is to it. Open Google Flights, enter your departure city, click Explore or Explore Map, browse destinations and prices on the map, then click a location to see the specific flight options available.